Let's say, for instance, I then want to fill in the blanks. Because if you see here, EA, E4, I have a blank here. If you check here too, I also have a blank. Right, and there are some other blanks. So one way to quickly fill in the blanks, I'm going to choose to fill the blanks I have here with NA that's not available. One way to quickly do that is to come here, come to your finance, select, click on go to special. You're going to scroll through, go to blanks, click on blanks. They are now going to define, you see that all the blanks are highlighted. You are then going to define what you want the blanks to be. I'm going to go to the formula bar, type NA, N/A. I have that here in EDA. However, I want that to be everywhere I have blanks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control Enter. So once I do Control Enter, I see it everywhere. I have blanks. So instead of blanks, I now have not available, NA. That's one thing I can do. So that's it. That's it for now. That's it for now. It's been an amazing one.